Cough won't stop. Let's talk about cough syrups. Not all cough syrups are the same. There are three main types depending on your cough. 1. Dry cough syrup. For cough without mucus. Helps calm the throat and reduce cough reflex. 2. Wet cough syrup. For cough with mucus or phlegm. Helps loosen and clear chest congestion. 3. All-in-one cough syrup. It targets multiple symptoms like cough, catarrh, cold, and sore throats. Common ingredients you may see: expectorants, antihistamine, decongestants, and suppressants. Quick reminder: not every cough needs medication. Don't mix multiple syrups. Kids need age-appropriate products. Seek medical advice if your cough lasts over 2 weeks. Chest pain or breathing issue. High fever or persistent cough in babies. Cough syrups work only when matched to the right type of cough. Know your cough. Choose wisely. Feel better fast. Thank you all for watching. Like, share, and comment. Thank you. See